Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your VCAP. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings, so then come to this list, and all you have to do, you just click here on privacy here. So when you click here on privacy, it's going to take you to next step. Just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here, and you click here on who can view the main information on my profile. Click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you select if you want to add friends or all friends or only me, or creating friends. Here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.